In this video, we're going to go ahead and use Google Sheets to find the summary statistics for a quantitative data set. So we're going to find the minimum value, Q1, the mean, the median, Q3, the maximum value, the range, the IQR, and the standard deviation. And we're going to go ahead and find it with this data set here that I have. Now this data set is 200 points of data, so we're going to use Google Sheets to make it go a lot faster to process it. So first we're going to find the minimum value in this data set. We're going to go equal, because we're going to have it do an equation, and we're going to write min, because there's a function which will find the minimum value in a data set. Now instead of trying to figure out exactly which cells I need to start and stop on, I'm going to put in A:(A), and it'll look in all the column of A. And so we'll go ahead and do close parentheses and enter, and it'll go ahead and find the smallest value. So went through this entire column of data, all the numbers in A. Now there are words in A, but it's just ignoring those cells. It's only looking at the cells with numbers in it, and it went and found the smallest value and put that in this cell. So now for Q1, I can pass another equation called quartile. Now this one needs two inputs. It needs the data. Where's our data? Which is in column A. So I'm going to put A:(A). And then comma, it needs the quartile number. Which quartile are we looking at? We're looking at Q1. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 for Q1, close parentheses, and it'll go and find Q1. Now again, every time I put an equation in, I use random number generators, and these cells automatically update themselves with the new number with the new data set. And so then go ahead and look at the mean. I can go equal average, and average only needs one input, the data, so we're going to do A:(A), and I'll find the mean of the data set. Now the median, I'm going to go ahead and equal median of A:(A), so it'll find the middle number in this data set. Q3 is the same as Q1. We do quartile. The only difference is instead of putting 1, we put 3 because we're looking for the third quartile. To find the maximum value in a data set, we just go equal max, A:(A). And the range, there is no function for range. We can't do like equal range. It doesn't work. This is a binomial distribution range, which is not what we're looking for. But we know that range is just the maximum value, which we already found, minus the minimum value, which we also have. Now we could go equal max of A:(A) minus the minimum of A:(A), and just pass those two functions in and have them find the difference, and that will give us the correct answer. Or we can just go ahead and just go equal our maximum values in F14 and our minimum values in F9, so we could type those cells in and it will also give you the correct answer. Either way works. Now the IQR, I'm just going to go ahead and go equal Q3 minus Q1. I'll go ahead and click on those cells and it'll give me the IQR. We could have done equal quartile A:(A), comma 3 minus quartile A:(A), comma 1, and that would have given us the right answer. But again, we want to kind of simplify things and make it a little faster, so we could just grab the cells that we already found. And then to find the standard deviation, we can just go equal STDEV A:(A), grab the cells there, and we'll get the standard deviation. So here's how we can find the summary statistics for our quantitative data set using Google Sheets.